Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you what is non-automation and how to do it. So I have already logged into a teacher account. In the main dashboard, you can able to see the list of classrooms that has been assigned for the teacher based on the subjects. Now I'm just going to click on the design classroom. And inside the classroom, you can able to see the curriculum module. I'm just going to click on the curriculum module here. So here you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for this particular classroom 6th grade A section for mathematics. You can able to view that here. And now you can able to click on the designed learning objective for which you are going to create an activity. So I'm just going to create an activity for integer addition and subtraction. I'm just going to click on create activity here. So I'm just going to create an activity in a non-automation type. So any learning activity schedule requires the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is called as non-automation here. Under non-automation type, we have like survey, event, pool, feedback, others. So these are the options which we have in non-automation. So by clicking on any one of the non-automation type, you can able to see like what kind of response collections you have for non-automation type. Like choose the right option with images, choose the right option with text, true or false, yes or no, rating with text. So these are the response collections which you have for non-automation type. So I'm just going with non-automation type. I'm just going to create an activity for its kind of feedback. So my question is like, how well did you understand the topic integer addition and subtraction? So I'm just going to choose the response collection is like rating with text. So now we can able to view in the right hand side like how it will be viewed in the students view screen. And students need to rate, and based on the rating, why they have rated based on the stars, so they need to write it the feedback here. They need to give the comments. And here you have an option like add notes. You can also add, like if you would like to add any information to the particular students regarding this particular activity in the sense, here you can able to add a notes. And if you want to save this activity as a draft in the sense, you can save it, otherwise you can able to create and schedule it. I'm just going to create it for today's date. And here timing is an optional one, so if you want to mention some particular, if you want any activity need to be shown to the students, viewed by students only for the particular timing in the sense, you can mention the timings here. Otherwise it's an optional one. And if you want the activity need to be published immediately to the student in the sense, you can go with the option like publish now. And here you have one more option like publish later. You want to save this activity and you want this to be published later on some particular date in the sense, here you have an option like publish later. And for publish later, you need to mention like some particular date. For example, you want this activity need to be published to the students by next week or next month in a sense, you can mention some particular date here. So whether the teacher is available or not, automatically the activity will be published to the student screen here. So based on this option also you can able to give. So now I'm just going to choose publish now option. So I want this activity need to be scheduled immediately to the students. So the activity is scheduled successfully. So here in the task maker below, you can able to see the activity. It's for feedback of mathematics or non-automated. It's showing here. And apart from the curriculum topics, if you want to create any activity based on some other topics in the sense, from the task maker itself, you can able to create an activity. So here you have an option like create activity. You can click on the create activity. You need to give for which subject you are going to create it. And also in the type, same like semi-automation, same like non-automation type, I'm just going. For non-automation type, I'm just going with pool. and my title is Most Enjoyable Activity Pool. So my question is like, which activity in the classroom do you enjoy the most? I'm just going with the choose the right option. My options are like lesson, challenge, quiz and homework. So here in the right hand side you can able to see it's kind of pool. You can able to see how it will be viewed in the student screen. And now I'm just going to create and schedule this activity. So now I'm just going to create an activity with the publish later option. So I want this activity need to be published on some particular date like December 19. I want this activity need to be published. I'm just choosing December 19. So timing is an optional one. So I'm just going with the option publish later. And the date is like December 19. So now you can schedule it. So your activity is scheduled successfully. Here below you can able to see. So here you can able to see few activities, right? Which is actually the activity has been created and it needs to be scheduled for the students on this activity is for December 12 and this is the activity which we have created now, right? So this will be viewed in the student screen on December 19 and also you can able to view other activities which has been created by the teacher for December 21st and December 26th. This is how the non-automated works under the institution with RankUpturn. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning!